everyone, it's Jennifer. And yes, you'll find out that I screwed up the numbers. And you'll find out that I'm going to open day 16 candy door. And tomorrow I'll open day 15 candy door on the opposite advent. But that's okay. So here we go. I'm going to open day 16. Here's day 16. And let's open it up, see what it is. And today is a happy Freddo. I love Freddos. Oh, and also with the Freddo, we get a happy sticker. And it has a violin. And it says, "Where is this present hidden?" So, I'm going to look for the violin. Because I'm a child. I am such a child. And I'll have to look twice. Oh, here it is. All the way at the top. Alright. I am a child. I'm sorry. But this is day 15. And here we go. It is turmeric ashwagandha. Ashwagandha. It's got cumin. What is it? It's got curcumin in it. It is 45% turmeric, 30% ashwagandha, 10% lemongrass, 10% black pepper, and 5% licorice. I will taste it, but I'm not a fan of licorice. So, but I will give it a taste, and we'll see. So, next we find the one from Southern Skeins. Yes, hang on, hold on, there we go. That's day 15. Yeah. So, let's check it out. Oh, look at that. That is really a beautiful deep color. Oh, it's got tissue paper still stuck on it. Here it is. It's not black. It's like a deep purple. Deep plum color. There's some lighter white up in there. So there's that one. And then next we have Paw Ply. And let's see this one. Alright. And this one is Neon Light, and I agree, and it is gorgeous. Look at that. It looks more peachy on my side than it does on camera. Boy, that was funny. But there they are. Now, it looks black laying next to the peachy, but wow, that is beautiful. Now you can see how it's more purpling. That's gorgeous. But this is day 15. And the tea. And the sticker. And Freddo. Those that know me know I love Freddos. So this was day 15, guys. Stay tuned, and we'll continue on with 16, 17, and 18. In the meantime, stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning.